Good morning, Primary 6. How are you? Today we will complete our revision sheet. Please kindly open page 2. Number 24. 15 plus 8 minus 15. Primary, now we have a number and its inverse. A number and its inverse. 15 and negative 15 equal 0. 8 plus 0 equal 8. Or calculate it on your calculator to get the result. Number 25, the additive inverse of negative 5 is the additive inverse. I want the inverse of negative 5. Yes, the opposite of sign. Inverse mean the opposite of sign. Negative 5, the opposite of sign equal 5. Thank you. Question 26. The multiplicative identity. The multiplicative identity in Z. We know that the additive is 0 and the multiplicative is 1. Excellent. 1. 27. Listen carefully. The image of the point A, 1 and 2 by translation. 1 and negative 1 is. This is the translation rule. I want the image. We make plus 1 plus 1, 2. And 2 plus negative 1 equal 1. The answer will be 2 and 1. Again, I have the point A and the translation rule. I want the image. We make what? We make plus to get the image. X plus X and Y plus Y. X plus X and Y plus Y. 1 plus 1 equal 2. 2 plus negative 1 equal 1. Okay? And answer will be 2, 1. This is the image. X equal negative 2 in absolute value will get out 2. Excellent. And Y equal negative 3. Then xy mean x by y. X by y. 2 by negative 3 equal negative 6. Excellent. 6 divided 3 by 2 minus 1. This we can make the operation in your calculator. Answer will be 3. Or the order, we make the divide, after that by, after that minus, after that plus. Okay? Divide 6 divided 3, 2. 2 by 2, 4. 4 minus 1, 3. Okay? Negative 8 divided negative 4. Negative divide negative positive. 8 divided 4, 2. Okay? Any operation, we can make it on our calculator primary. Okay? To avoid the mistakes. X equal negative 1. Y equal 2. So x plus y. X equal negative 1 plus 2 equal, yes, equal 1. The image of the point 3 and negative 2 by translation, negative 3 and 2. I want the image. Okay, we have the point 3 and negative 3. We make a x plus x and y plus y. 3 plus negative 3, 0. Negative 2 plus 2, 0. Number and its inverse plus a number and its inverse. So the point or the image will be 0 and 0. Okay, because we have 3 plus negative 3 equal 0 and 2 plus negative 2 also equal 0. Okay, now 0 by negative 1 by negative 2 by negative 3. 0 by any number equal 0. 4 plus what equal negative 1? 4 plus what equal negative 1? I want the number here. 4 plus what equal negative 1? So I want here number greater than 4 and have a negative sign and give me 1, negative 5. Yes. Or 4 will be out negative 4. Negative 1 plus negative 4 equal negative 5. 11 plus 0 equal 11. What is this property name? Or called? Yes, it's the additive identity. It's the additive identity. 4 plus negative 7 minus 2. Negative 7 minus 2 equal negative 9. 4 plus negative 9 equal negative 5. Excellent. Now, if A 1, 2, then the image of A, I want the image by translation rule, x plus 1 and y minus 1. This is the rule I have, x plus 1, so I will add 1 of x and y minus 1, and we're here from y we will take 1. Add 1, 1 plus 1 equal 2, and y take 1 equal 1. The answer will be 2 and 1. Again, this is a translation rule. We look at the point, and from x take 1, add 1, x plus 1, x here 1, 1 plus 1 equal 2. And look at y, take 1 from y, 2 minus 1 equal 1. So the answer will be 2 and 1. Okay, primary? I hope you understand me. If a plus b equals 0, where a not equal b, then a by b equal greater or smaller or equal than 0. So primary lesson, if a plus b equals 0, I know that any number plus its inverse equals 0. Any number plus its inverse. Number plus its inverse equals 0. When we make for them by any positive number by negative number, answer will be also a negative number. Any negative numbers is less than 0. Any negative number is less than 0. Any negative number is less than 0. Okay. Number 39. 0 divided any number equals 0. Okay. 17 by what equal negative 5 by 17? It's what? It's the commutative property. 17 with 17, the remain is negative 5. Okay. Number 41. Z positive, union 0. The positive numbers and 0 will get me the natural numbers. Yes, excellent. Listen carefully here, primary. If A negative 2 and 1 and B is 3 and 1, then the length of AB, you remember how we get the length? We have 2 points. How we get the length? Cancel the common, cancel the same, and make B minus A in the absolute value. B minus A second minus first inside the absolute value equals 3 minus A minus 2. 3 minus minus 2 and 3 plus 2 equal 5. Okay, again, cancel the same. We cancel the same and make the second minus first in the absolute value. Cancel the same and make the second minus first in the absolute value. Why we make absolute value? We must have a positive result. We must have a positive result. Okay, so the answer will be 5. 3 minus negative 2 and 3 plus 2 equal 5. Negative 5 by negative 4 in absolute value, 4. Negative 4 equal 4. Negative 5 by 4 equal negative 20. Okay. The greatest negative integer. What is the greatest negative integer, primary? Negative 1. Bravo. How many integers between negative 2 and 3? How many integers? Negative 1. Negative 1. Negative 1 and 0. 1, 2. How many integers? We have 4 integers. 4 integers. Z intersection natural number. We know that natural number subset from Z. When I want union, we take the greatest. When we want intersection, we take the smallest. We take the smallest. Okay? When we want the greatest, the union, we take the greatest. When we want the intersection, we take the smallest. Okay? If A belongs to negative 5 and negative 3 intersection, 5 and negative 2 and negative 3. What is the intersection here? Intersection means the common is negative 3, so A will be negative 3. 48. If A 2 and 7, B 2 and 3, again like 42. If A 2 and 7, B 2 and 3, then the length of AB cancel the same and make B minus A. 3 minus 7 in the absolute value will be negative 4. Get out 4. Okay, cancel the same and make the second minus first, B minus A in the absolute value. Okay, primary. 49, negative 5 plus 7, calculated equal to, bravo. The smallest positive integer is, yes, 1. We know that 1 is the smallest positive integer and negative 1 is the greatest negative integer. Okay, don't forget them. Now, primary, I have revised all the lessons in March, okay, that you studied. I hope you revised well with me. Please study well and study this choice as well. Okay, this is choice as well. I wish you a good luck. Okay, thank you and goodbye.